So first step is binding, second is fusion, third is reverse transcription, fourth step is integration, 5 is replication, 6 is assembly, last step is budding. So first step, it will bind, HIV will bind to the CD4 cell. So first it will bind to the CD4 receptor, and then it either binds to the CXCR4 co-receptors or CCR5 co-receptors. And next step is fusion. So fusion HIV viral envelope will fuse into the CD4 cell membrane, and then it will release HIV enzymes and HIV RNA. The reverse transcription will start with the HIV RNA, and it has reverse transcriptase enzyme to convert HIV RNA into HIV DNA. So it allows CD4 cell to accept the HIV DNA into the CD4 cell nucleus. Next step is integration. Next step, yes, integration. Integration is when once it's inside the CD4 cell DNA, it has integrase to do its job by combining HIV DNA with the CD4 cell DNA. And after that, it's replication. Replication is when the CD4 cell DNA with the HIV DNA it already combined. It came out, moved out of the CD4 cell nucleus to make HIV proteins. It replicated to become HIV proteins. And then it will, next step is assembly, and then it will has the HIV proteins and HIV RNA try to fuse outside of the CD4 cell, try to budding out the CD4 cell, but it hasn't become the virion yet. It's not mature yet. Assembly is not mature yet. It's premature. It's the state that is before it's become mature, become virion. So budding step, this step is when it becomes from immature HIV to mature HIV, because this has already left the CD4 cell. So with the HIV proteins inside it, that whole thing, like you see the whole circle, they are virion, but they are immature. With the protease in it, still premature, but once the protease breaks up the long protein chains in the immature virus, and then they will create the mature infected virus. Do you see the protease, the purple one? And do you see the HIV protein, the green squiggly line? Those still in long protein chains. The protease hasn't breaks them up yet, so they are still immature. But once those protease breaks down the long protein chains, they become mature HIV infected virus. And the SCOV, it's also for PrEP, PR with the little r, EP, PrEP. It stands for pre-exposure prophylaxis. It's used once daily prescription medicines for adults and adolescents. For adolescents at risk of HIV, it helps lower the chance of getting HIV through sex.